Taff climbing an ice face like a waterfall. There's Scott belaying in the corner on beautiful Mount Baker. Oh, there's Stephanie.
That's good, you can provide commentary for the video.
Yeah, I am. I'm doing a little record myself. It was on record by accident. Nice job, honey. Flying up. He's almost at the lip. Whoa!
One of these axes ain't going in.
Nice. Woo! You made it. Okay, give a little pose. Triumph.